Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and this is my ANET ET4X. Friends, it's pretty sweet, but I over-tightened the extruder and I snapped off the piece inside it. Friends, I've got a fix for you, so let's get cracking. Alright friends, so my solution was to get a screwdriver, and I was going to cut into that edge as well as I could and use a flat end to unscrew it. But are you ready for this? I just took a Phillips screwdriver and pushed it in a little ways, and look at that. I am able to unscrew that with a simple Phillips screwdriver. How crazy is that? I was totally frustrated that I might have killed my printer, and now all I gotta do is replace the little end. Alrighty friends, that may have just been dumb luck, but it did happen once, so at least if you have the issue, you've got that idea for a way to solve it. Another one I was working on was I was going to put JB Weld on something, put it in, and then loosen it with that. But I didn't get that far because this worked on the first try. So friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.